Today we're going to be looking at how to add new payers to your CarePaths site. You can do this either from the dashboard link under the insurance card here, where it says Payers, or you can go to the Claims menu up top, select Payers, click Add Payer, then you're going to select the option that you want from the list. You can see we've got a bunch in here. You can fast forward to the ones you want by typing in the first few letters of the name. So I'm going to type in BLU. That's going to take me down to the Blue Cross Blue Shield options. Hit Save. Now this first screen is going to be for the address. If you're submitting paper claims, you're going to want to make sure this address matches the one that you have from the company. You can edit any of these boxes here. Then you're going to want to click over to the Claims tab. And if you're submitting electronic claims, you want to look at this payer ID right here. That's going to be really important to make sure that that payer ID matches the one that you've been given by the company, because that's the primary identifier used by the system to know where to send those electronic claims to. Typically, that's all you'll really need to look at. If you do have providers that require supervision, you may want to check this box here, because some different payers have different requirements on how they want those claims to be sent. You can see here I have options for rendering provider only, supervisor and rendering provider, and supervisor as rendering provider. But otherwise, you should pretty much be all set. You can go ahead and hit Save. And then you should be all set to add this payer to any patient under their coverages section. We'll have another video coming out about how to do that, so please take a look if you want some more details on that process.